In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Desktop to generate a meta prompt. To get started, open your browser and search for Genspark AI. In the search results, click the official Genspark option labeled as an all-in-one AI workspace. This will take you to the main platform where you can access different creative AI tools. Once you're on the Genspark website, look for the Content Creation drop-down menu. This section is where Genspark organizes its generation tools, so it's the right place to begin if your goal is to create or refine prompts for visual content. Click that drop-down to reveal the available options. Next, choose AI Image. You can also use a similar content tool, such as AI Video, but in this example, we're selecting AI Image. The reason for this is that Genspark includes an auto prompt feature here, which helps transform a simple idea into a more polished and detailed meta prompt. After the AI image page opens, click into the prompt field and type in your prompt. At this stage, keep it simple and clear. You don't need to overthink the wording, because the platform is about to help expand it for you. A short concept or creative direction is enough to get started. Now click Auto Prompt. This is the key step in the process. When you do this, Genspark automatically rewrites your basic text into a more professional AI directive. In other words, it enhances your original idea by adding useful details such as style, lighting, composition, and other descriptive elements that can improve the final output. This rewritten version is essentially your meta prompt. Once that's ready, click Submit to start the generation process. This sends the enhanced prompt into the tool so it can begin creating the result. And that's the full process. If you want better outputs, a good tip is to begin with a clear base idea, then let AutoPrompt do the heavy lifting to make it more detailed and production ready.